Hello friends, today we will see question 6 of SOM series. If you have not watched my previous video on how to find area, then go in the description, you will find that video. Watch that video first to solve this problem, because in that video I have explained how to find area. I have also made another video on how to find arc length. You can also check that video in description. That video will be very useful to you. So now let's start today's problem. So what is the question? The region bounded by the curve y is equal to root x, y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. Here we have to find the area bounded by these three curves. So in this question, what is our first step? To draw the diagram. So let's first draw the diagram. So this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, and we know that y is equal to root x curves will be like this. Y is equal to root x. How to know the curve is like this? If we square both sides, we get y is equal to x. Y square is equal to x. So here y square is equal to x curve is like this, but is y is equal to plus root x we are given. So this curve will be only in first quadrant. It will lie only in first quadrant. We are also given line y is equal to 1. Is y is equal to 1. So this line is y is equal to 1. This is y is equal to root x. We are also given x is equal to 4. So x1, 2, 3 and this is x is equal to 4. So now we have to find the region bounded by these three curves. So which is the region? This one is the region. Here always take care in bounding the region, because if you commit mistake in knowing the area, then you will do whole sum wrong. So here always take care to know the region. How to know? Always remember that the curve must be bounded by the curves which are given. Here we can see there are three curves. 1, 2, 3. So let's check. This one is there. 2 y is equal to 1. The second one and third one. So this curve is bounded by all three curves. So this is our region. This is our region of which we have to find the area. Now we know that formula of area is equal to double integration 1 into dA. Now let's know this point, because this will be useful in solving further problem. So how to know? Here we can see that y is equal to root x and y is equal to 1 are intersecting here. So let's equate both the term. Y is equal to root x, y is equal to 1. When we equate, we get root x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 square, that is equal to 1. So we get x is equal to 1. Here x is 1 and y is also 1. So we know that x belongs to 1 to 4. X belongs to 1 to 4. So it's now become easy, because we can take dx outside, because it's constant term. 1 into dy dx. Its dx work is done. Now I have explained in my earlier video in how to find area that whenever it's dy dx, we have to draw the vertical line. So let's draw the vertical line. We can see that here it's entering from y is equal to 1, leaving from y is equal to root x. So y belongs to 1 to root x. So we also got the limit of y. Now let's find the area. Area is equal to double integration 1 into dy dx. We have found limit of x 1 to 4 and limit of y is from 1 to root x. Always in this type of problem, always try to find the constant limit, because that will be very useful. Once you find the constant limit, then work become easier to find the other limit. So here what we did, we have first find the limit. X is constant. So now our work become easy. Now we have to integrate 1 with respect to dy. So integration of 1 is y its limit are 1 to root x into dx. Now put the limit, we get x raised to, so here put the limit, we get root x minus 1 into dx. Now integrate this term. We know that integration of root x is equal to x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1, that is x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. So x raised to, we can write 2 by 3, x raised to 3 by 2 minus integration of 1 is x, its limit are 1 to 4. Now put the limit, we get 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 4 minus upper limit minus lower limit. If we put 1, we will get 2 by 3 minus 1, that is equal to, we know root of 4 is 2, 2 cube 8, 8 to the 16 by 3 minus 4 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3. So that is equal to 16 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 4, that is equal to 17 by 3 minus 4. Now take the LCM, we get 17 minus 12, 5 by 3. So this is our answer. I hope you like this question, you understood this. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section given below. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.